In this video, we will share what is Schema Markup, why it's important, and how to use ChatGPT to generate the code to add to your website. Hi, my name is Zara. I'm Coach Wanda's AI avatar. Welcome. Let's get to it. Ever wonder how some websites get those cool star ratings, FAQs, and product details showing up right in Google search results? That's all thanks to something called Schema Markup. And guess what? You don't have to be a coder to use it. ChatGPT can write it for you in seconds. Schema Markup is a type of structured data, extra code you add to your website that helps search engines better understand your content. Think of it like giving Google a behind-the-scenes tour of your page so it can feature you better in search results. Some examples of schema types include articles, FAQs, reviews, events. Why does schema matter? It can boost your visibility, increase click-through rates, and help your business stand out in crowded search results. Google loves websites that make it easy to understand their content, and Schema does exactly that. More visibility equals more traffic. And when search engines understand your page better, you can qualify for rich results like stars, pricing, or people also ask sections. Here's the exciting part. You don't have to be a coder to create a Schema Markup code for your website. You can use ChatGPT to create your Schema Markup code. Here's an example prompt to schema for your FAQs. Generate FAQ page Schema Markup in JSON LD format for the following questions. What is Schema Markup? How does schema help SEO? Can I create schema with ChatGPT? ChatGPT will return a block of JSON LD code you can copy and paste into your website section or embed using plugins, like Rank Math or Yoast in WordPress. You can do this for product pages, local business info, blog posts, event listings. Once you add the code, you can check it. Bonus: how to test your schema. Markup: before going live, validate your schema code using Google's Rich Results Test. Schema Markup Validator. These tools check for errors and show you how your snippet might appear in Google search. If you want to increase your visibility on Google without paying for ads, Schema Markup is a no-brainer. And now it's easier than ever with AI. Drop a comment if you'd like a free schema template or want help using ChatGPT to generate yours. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered web strategies. View our most recent blog that further explains Schema Markup. Visit our blog on our website at all4udigital.com